What's up with y'all, man? SCS, man. I'm about to hit y'all with another one. I may be able to hit y'all with 2 videos today. I'll be trying to record as many as I can in the time span. Today, man, on the blue box, we're gonna take this tint off. Let me go ahead and get my stand together and get my heat gun. I'm gonna try to do it with my heat gun. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it should work though. But yeah, catch y'all back on in a second. All right, man, so let's get it. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna work. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna work, but if it do, all that time, man, I thought I pressed record. I adjusted the camera and it started recording. So yeah, let me show y'all. All right, from here, what y'all can see is the tint off. So what I had to focus on doing was heating it up more so than pulling, because I got residue down here. But I had to clean this with a razor. You clean the window with a razor and some acetone. One, then the other. So probably acetone first, then a razor, or back and forth, however, till you get it. But we don't ride tint in Chicago. I think I'm gonna name this box Chicago and Atlanta once it actually get its final paint job. But for now, let's see if I can get this one, or attempt to get this one. This one gonna be kind of tough though, because the way the weather stripping is, and I ain't taking that out. Might take the whole door panel off and everything. Just cut it in half and do it. You gotta watch what you're doing too, because you could cut the glass. Y'all heat it up, don't pull it. Coming off like I want. I turn it down, it's burning it. When you're pulling it off, as long as you don't hear that, that means the residue coming off with it and it's warm. But if it's cold, it's gonna make that rip sound, and basically you're gonna be leaving residue like this right here. I can see where it left a little bit of residue. Y'all see it? A little cloudy. But yeah, I'm gonna time lapse this because this is basically gonna be the same thing on all windows. I'm trying to hurry up and do it like 20 minutes for the whole rest of the car. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I was looking at the front window, making sure it ain't got like an eyelid on it, and it don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out. everywhere. When I did that Cadillac, it was, man, this stuff was literally coming out of every single crack of the car. But yeah, so whole purpose is, man, I think old schools look better with no tint. Fishbowl. Tint is illegal. 5%, that's what this was. 5% is illegal here. I ain't trying to get pulled over for nothing. Especially with all the going back and forth with the police. And I know it's a lot of people going, hey, if you ain't did nothing wrong, I don't want no trouble. That's another reason why I came off. And the absolute biggest reason why I came off is you can't see the accessories that I'm putting in here. Can't see the gauges, can't see the rear deck I'm about to get ready to start fabricating. Can't see speaker pods, the console, iPad console going there actually. iPad console. I actually put it in there a long time ago. I had new carpet for this car. And the reason why it's so black is prior to me getting it, they were doing some mechanical work. Firestone blew the motor up, putting intake gaskets on, not cutting the holes for the coolant. And yeah, it was a whole bunch of parts all over the car. So all the carpet is brown. New carpet, I have new carpet for it. Well, I'm not putting that in till I get my rain rails, my drip rails. If anybody have any drip rails, let me know. But yeah, I'm not putting that in until I get my drip rails and then until I get this car inside. But off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the residue that I got. I have to wait till it warm up a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. But anyway, inside and out, I'm gonna razor these windows with some Windex and get all of my residue. I think it looked much better without the tint. This is me personally. Oh, I'm gonna lock the key in there. Yeah, me personally, I just think it looked a lot better without the tint. Whole lot better. The tint cool, man, for picture purposes, but as far as me driving it, I feel like it looked better like that. Yeah. I like it with the tint. I like it with the spokes off, but with the spokes on, no tint, it look way better. Way better. But I'm gonna get my bumper filler and hopefully I can record that video in a couple hours, me knocking that out. Also, this battery need to charge. I've been opening the door and lights was on, and yeah, I don't have to charge this battery. But I'm making an iPad console for a customer, so when I make his and I got his set, I'm gonna go ahead and copy everything over, put it on mine. I'm making the rear deck right now, and I have a base of a rear deck, but I'm not doing a one piece for mine. For those who don't know, the pieces is literally how many pieces the rear deck has. I'm not making a one piece for mine. It's gonna either be a 2 or 3 piece. I'm thinking a 2 piece though. But this is the rear deck I'm making right now. It is done. Grills and everything. Box Chevy P. Perry Crawford on Facebook. I don't want to put, like I said, I don't want to put his government. It'll be nice, man. Y'all stay tuned. Like I said, I got more coming every day, man. In between orders, I'm trying to shoot a video or two if I can. That way, the next day I ain't gotta do no recording. I can just grind. But y'all definitely stay tuned. Got a lot of footage coming, and we out.